Dude, they were walking out there on the snow. They didn't go like whenever they come on the road, they never go back home.
Is that true?
Yeah, it is. It's hella scary, bro.
Oh, scary. What do you want to do now?
I kind of just...
I'm feeling a little chill behind me now.
Yeah, I kind of feel like we should just go back, but I think it's kind of too late, you know?
Don't tell me.
I have a test for you guys. I got a freaking F. The teacher's so mean. What?
Wait,
I think it's so easy.
Fine, hold on, we gotta hurry up.
Come on, let's just go. The girls
You guys want to go swimming?
Oh yeah, alright, let's go. I can't first dance.
Oh yeah, no, I come first. Oh, there's water on this side too.
Oh shit! Help! Give me your hand!
Hey, what you guys doing? Hey, back up.
No, man, you're right.
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. Just got beat up by some girls.
Man, what you do, man? You can't be getting beat up by girls, man.
I don't know.
It's their problem.
I like one of them too, but I don't know why they do.
No, man, no. You gotta pick up the plans.
I'm okay.
Sit down, man. I need to rest up. It's okay, man. Can't you let girls walk all over you like that?
No, it's fine. It's fine, Miles. I'll find a way to get them back.
I have a wonderful surprise for you, Whitney.
What?
Oh, it's over there. You'll see.
Okay.
I missed you all day.
Damn, the river's hella high.
I know.
What are we gonna do?
Sorry, it's gonna be so beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? See, all our friends are already playing.
Yeah, let's go down there.
Oh, I have a present for you over here. I'll throw stuff out after you just
I'm not slipping.
You have to be very careful. I don't want you getting hurt, Whitney.
It's not that far. Okay? Okay.
Just relax. Just relax. Lay down. Keep your feet wet.
What is that?
So about that present I got you, you have to lay down.
Oh, God.
Oh, aren't the skies so beautiful? The clouds. Oh my God, close your eyes. I have a present for you.
Oh my gosh, look at the water! Ooh, no. What is that? Oh my God. Let's go check it out. Who's that? Oh. Don't laugh at me. Oh my gosh! Who's that? You guys want to go pour out the water? You guys go down there more to some.
Hey, you know, let's go straight this way.
Uh-huh.
And then make sure everybody will walk carefully. Oh, you okay?
Oh, you okay?
It's so funny. My feet just hurt.
Oh, what happened?
I think I tripped over something.
Tripped over
Oh, you
Yeah.
should massage that. I don't want you to. Oh. Put it down. You're done. Yeah. more. Just in case. Just in case. Oh.
I don't think I can do this anymore. Why not? Because they're like, you're innocent people, you know, they didn't deserve that. So you gonna snitch on me? I mean, nah, I just think I'm thinking too much. Yeah. I'm sorry, I won't tell me.
Oh my god. Oh, so tired. Maybe a little. Stop by Jason.
Alright then, let's go home. Oh, hey there, Eddie.
Hey, Eddie.
Why so late?
Hey.
I was just,
Hey, Jen, nó tụi con này. They didn't come? Where are
they
the
left
people?
already.
Really?
they left?
Really?
Oh, those haters, man.
Oh my god. Yeah, they totally ditched us.
No.
Real. Oh, let's go home. Come on, let's go home. Yeah.
They know what Eddie is pretty good.
I know. Why did you?
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선어해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선어해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선어해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선어해 그런 선어해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 hey. 그래 바로 너 hey. 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 hey. 그래 바로 너 hey. 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일